Unboxing new gadgets, always satisfying. This is the Samsung Odyssey Neo G7. It's a curved 4K Ultra HD. The refresh rate is 165 Hz and the response time is 1 millisecond. This is a proper gaming monitor. I was looking for monitors that can do it all for me, which is editing, gaming, and work. This checked all the boxes. I will list all the specs down below, but for now, let's enjoy the unboxing sound effects. Of course, the first thing I'll test it on is some COD, trying to get my W's on, you know what I mean? I get those once a week. I always like monitors with LEDs on the back, and this one had a core type of LED light. Also a couple on the bottom. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time for more unboxing.